Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So many of us have seen this type of colorful profile in Instagram. So what is a meaning of this colorful profile, and can we get this colorful themes in our Instagram profile? So this is a award given by Instagram to a creator who performed very well and who was the winner of any specific year. So they have this kind of color. So they have an option to change the color of their profile. They will have a multiple option, they can change it. So this is not available for all users. So only the winner of that uh, ring creator award have the option. So I hope you will find this video useful. Let me know if you will get this feature, which color themes you want to keep it in your Instagram profile.